And you could, I could get that ticket thing, and you could write her a ticket, be handing her a ticket.
Honk the horn, Jenny.
She's making the car sound.
Oh.
Cute. How fast are you going? Jimmy, looky here. Look at Mimi. Mimi. Jimmy. Look what Mimi's got. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Mimi. Jimmy.
She's trying to eat the cereal.
Yeah. Jenny. Looky here. Jenny.
See what her feet are doing under here.
Are you taking a movie?
Yeah.
Oh.